exercise 4b, first bit, first question. Solve x cube minus 3x square minus 16x plus 48 equal to 0. Given that the sum of two roots is 0. So I am taking the equation x cube minus 3x square minus 16x plus 48 equal to 0, equation number 1. And given that the sum of two roots is equal to 0. Sum of two roots is 0. How many roots it contains? 3 roots. Sum of two roots is equal to 0. Let's given sum of two roots is equal to 0. Sum of two roots is equal to 0. Let the roots are I am taking first one alpha. Sum of two roots is equal to 0. Second I am taking minus alpha. If we are adding alpha and minus alpha, we are getting 0. One should be alpha, another one should be minus alpha. And the third one beta I am taking. So we don't know the third one. I want to take beta. So I want to take sum equal to alpha minus alpha plus beta equal to minus of minus 3 by 1. Alpha cancel, beta equal to 3. So alpha minus alpha, beta are the roots. We got one of the root. Therefore beta equal to 3 is a root of equation 1. So I want to use the Hartman method. 1 minus 3 minus 16 48. X equal to 3, keeping 0 first. 1 plus 0 1. 3 into 1 3. Minus 3 plus 3 0. 3 into 0 0. Minus 16 plus 0 minus 16. 3 into minus 16 minus 48. 48 minus 48 0. So constant x square 0x minus 16 equal to 0. X square minus 16 x square equal to 16. X equal to plus or minus 4. Root 16 equal to plus or minus 4. Therefore roots are 4 minus 4 and 3. So sum of first two is equal to 0. Not only first two, sum of two roots is equal to 0. These are the required roots. Next, second, find the condition that x cube minus px square plus qx minus r equal to 0 may have sum of two of its roots 0. Similar to this one. So equation x cube minus px square plus qx minus r equal to 0. This is the equation. Sum of two roots is equal to 0. Sum of two roots is equal to 0. Let roots are alpha minus alpha beta. Sum of these two is equal to 0. So I want to take overall sum alpha minus alpha plus beta equal to minus of minus p by 1. Alpha cancel, beta equal to p. Therefore beta equal to p is a root. So beta equal to p is a root. So p must satisfy the given equation. So x equal to p. Put x equal to p in equation 1. So if we substitute x value p in the equation 1, it must be satisfied because it is a root. So p cube minus p of p square plus q of p minus r equal to 0. P cube minus p into p square p cube plus p cube minus r equal to 0. P cube cancel. P cube minus r equal to 0. P cube equal to r. This is the required condition. Required condition is p cube equal to r. Or else, if you do like this, x equal to p, if you take like this, you will get here some remainder. If you make it equal to 0, p cube equal to r. Either you substitute or you do Hartman method, you got remainder somewhat. That remainder make it equal to 0 since it is a root. then you will get the remainder PQ minus R. Make PQ minus R equal to 0, PQ equal to R. If you want to check, you may check. So you will get the same result. So after second, I want to do fourth one, not third one, fourth one. Find the condition that x cube minus px square plus qx minus r equal to 0 may have the roots are in GP. Roots are in GP. If roots are in GP, given roots are in GP. If roots are in GP, we should take the roots as previously we took a by r, a r. But here r already it contains equation 1 r. So instead of I am taking r, I am taking s. Let roots are a by k. I am taking a by k, a k. A by k, a k. So I am taking product. If you are taking product a by k into a k equal to minus of minus r by 1. K cancel, a cube equal to r. A cube equal to r implies a equal to r power 1 by 3. A equal to r power 1 by 3. Therefore, a equal to r power 1 by 3 is a root of equation 1. So it is a root of equation 1. It must satisfy equation 1. So substituting r power 1 by 3 whole cube minus p into r power 1 by 3 whole square q into r power 1 by 3 minus r equal to 0. Q 3 cancel, r minus p r power 2 by 3 q r power 1 by 3 plus minus r equal to 0. R cancel, bringing this one outside. Q r power 1 by 3 p r power 2 by 3. Cubing on both sides. Q cube r power 1 by 3 cube equal to p cube r power 2 by 3 whole cube. 3 cancel, 3 cancel, q cube r equal to p cube r square. Both sides are, one of the r cancel. P cube r equal to q cube. This is the required condition. First bit, third question, exercise 4b, first bit, third question. So the given equation x cube plus 3p x square plus 3q x plus r equal to 0. I am taking this is equation 1. So first, so given that the roots of the equation, this equation are in first one ap, we need to prove one condition. GP, we need to prove another condition. Next HP, we need to prove some more condition. First I am taking roots are in AP. First one. Roots are in AP. If roots are in AP, let roots are A minus D, A plus D. These three are the roots. If these three are the roots, I want to take some. Whenever we are taking AP, we should take some. A minus D plus A plus D equal to minus 3p by 1. DD cancel. 3a equal to minus 3p implies a equal to minus p. A equal to minus p is a root of equation 1. So this is the root of equation 1. I want to substitute in this. So minus p whole cube plus 3p of minus p whole square plus 3q of minus p plus r equal to 0. Minus p cube square of negative positive, p square into p cube, 3p cube minus 3p cube plus r equal to 0. 3p cube minus p cube, 2p cube minus 3p cube plus r equal to 0. So this is the required condition when the roots are in AP. Next, second, roots are in, roots of equation 1 are in GP. So roots of equation 1 are in GP. So if we observe already this condition, this equation in terms of R, so other than R I want to take. Let roots are So actually, if roots are in GP, what we will take? A by R, A R. Other than R, A by K, A K. So whenever we are taking GP, we should take product. Product equal to A by K, A K equal to minus plus minus minus R by 1. K cancel. A cube equal to minus R. A equal to minus R power 1 by 3 equal to minus of R power 1 by 3. Therefore, X equal to or A equal to minus R power 1 by 3 is a root of equation 1. So, equation 1, that's why I want to substitute in this. Minus R power 1 by 3 whole cube plus 3p of minus R power 1 by 3 whole square plus 3q of minus R power 1 by 3 plus R equal to 0. Next, minus power cube minus R power 1 by 3 cube cancel R plus minus square plus 3p R power 2 by 3. 1 by 3 into 2, 2 by 3. Minus cube minus into plus minus 3 cube R power 1 by 3 plus R equal to 0. R cancel. Next, this one bringing outside 3p R power 2 by 3 equal to 3 cube R power 1 by 3. 3 cancel. Both sides cubing. P cube into R power 2 by 3 whole cube equal to Q cube into R power 1 by 3 whole cube. Cubing on both sides. 3 cancel. 3 cancel. P cube R square equal to Q cube R. Both sides are also cancel. P cube R equal to Q cube. This is the required condition. This is the required condition. P cube R equal to Q cube. Third one. Roots are in HP. So HP means harmonic progression. If roots are in HP, then the reciprocal equation roots are in AP. So I want to take a reciprocal equation. Reciprocal equation roots are in AP. So reciprocal equation 1 by x whole cube. Instead of x I want to write 1 by x plus 3p of 1 by x whole square plus 3q of 1 by x plus r equal to 0. Now 1 by x cube plus 3p by x square plus 3q by x plus r equal to 0. Now if you observe the denominators, the highest power x cube I want to multiply with x cube. 1 x cube by x cube cancel. 3p by x cube by x square x plus 3q by x cube by x equal to x square. Actually this is x. 3p x cube by x square x. 3q x cube by x equal to x square plus r x cube equal to 0. I want to write in the order. R x cube plus 3q x square plus 3px plus 1 equal to 0. Equation 2. Roots of equation 2 are in AP. Roots of equation 2 are in AP. So if these are in AP, what I am doing? So let roots of equation 2 are a minus d, a plus d. Whenever the roots are in AP, we should take sum. A minus d plus a plus d equal to, so minus 3q by r. So d cancel. A plus a 3a equal to minus 3q by r. 3 cancel. A equal to minus q by r. So a equal to minus q by r, it is a root of equation 2, not 1. So it is the root of equation 2. So I want to substitute in this equation. So r of x minus q by r whole cube. Next plus 3q x minus q by r whole square plus 3p minus q by r plus 1 equal to 0. r minus q cube by r cube plus 3q into q square by r square minus 3pq by r plus 1 equal to 0. So here one of the r cancel r square. So minus q cube by r square plus 3q cube by r square minus 3pq by r plus 1 equal to 0. So 3q cube minus q cube, 2q cube by r square minus 3pq by r plus 1 equal to 0. So denominator highest power r square, I want to multiply with r square. 2q cube minus 3pqr plus 1 equal to 0. This is the required condition. So bringing these two terms outside, 2q cube equal to 3pqr. So this is r square actually. R square into 1 r square minus r square. In this 2q cube, what is common? I am taking r common. If you are taking r common, 3pq minus r. This is the required condition to be proved.